I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by installing Lenovo Migration Assistant on both machines and launching it as an administrator. Connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi network. Wired Ethernet can be faster. Once done, disable sleep and temporarily loosen firewall rules so the apps can see each other. On the source PC, pick the files, apps, and settings you want to move, and check free disk space on the target. Make sure transfer mode is set to PC and press Next to begin discovery. After pressing Next, pair the two devices using the on-screen code or QR prompt. This avoids accidental connections. Once paired, decide whether to run a full transfer or an incremental move. Incremental reduces time by skipping unchanged files. Start with large files or user profiles to ensure essentials arrive first. Monitor the progress indicator and transfer log for errors. You can pause and resume if network issues arise. Make sure both PCs remain awake and plugged in. When the transfer ends, verify that your documents, profiles, and critical apps are present and open a few to confirm integrity. Restore permissions and recreate any pinned shortcuts. Run Windows Update and reinstall drivers for hardware that needs it. Re-enable your firewall and normal power settings. If something went wrong, retry transferring only problem folders or switch to an external drive for stubborn data. As a key tip, if pairing repeatedly fails, reboot both machines and reset the app network permissions before another attempt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.